Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now guys, we know that last week's episode ended with Usangweni stealing uManqoba from the Mbambo household. So in this episode guys, all we see uVelephi is in that one room, back room of hers, and then she gets a knock emnyango. When she opens the door, uSangweni uphethe uManqoba ebusuku, you guys. So uVelephi like, oh Sangweni, nkulunkulu wami, ukwazile. She takes uManqoba, she's like, mfana kama. She holds him. uSangweni ngalana, he locks the door, he starts packing izinto. uVelephi is still playing with uManqoba there. She's like, how boy, yazi, I missed you so much. All right, you got uSangweni is like, Velephi, uzomela ukuthi sihambe. uVelephi is like, oh, okay ke. Bengisengibhake yonke into. Yazi Sangweni, ngiyabonga ngempela mntakama. Ngalento oyenzile ukuthi ungisize. Ngiyakweleta. uSangweni then says, yeah, Velephi, ngiyakuzwa kodwa kuzomela ukuthi sihambe. Bazofika laba abantu singekahambi lana. uVelephi then says, okay ke. As she's about to pick up the bag, guys, and they're about to leave, there's a knock on the door. But too late, and they just keep quiet. uVuma then says, Velephi, Sangweni ungaphandle. There's like, Velephi, Sangweni, siyazi ukuthi ningaphakathi. Phumani. Vulani umnyango. Ngihamba no-aunty wenu uSamke nomalumkhuzwayo. Vulani manje. uVelephi, guys, she's busy speaking there. Uyahlebeza. She's like, hawe ma. Ukhuzwayo is like, Velephi, nase nayimosha yonke lento manje. Umthetho wenu niyahlanya yini? uVelephi still inside. She's like, so wenza njani Sangweni? But basithole kanjani ukuthi silana? uSangweni is panicking naye. Ukhuzwayo then looks at uVuma ngaphandle. He's like, yazi sibali, umuntu uzidlalela ngesikhathi lana. Laba angeke bavule. Labantwana bangenwe yimi ngempela. uVuma then says, hayi bazovula. Ayikho enye indlela. Yey nina. uVelephi then says, xala nihambe lana, nimosha isikhathi senu. Akho muntu ozophuma lana. Hambani. uVuma then says, yey, amahlathi ephelile manje, akusekho kucasha. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, next scene ke uSamke, uVuma beNontombela, they have gathered the community Wambalenhle or Embalenhle, guys. They have gathered abantu batshela abantu ukuthi hey phela uSangweni benoVelephi bakidnaphe ingane. Asazi ukuthi bazoyenzani leya ngane, because niyazazi ingane zikaDeliwe ukuthi zinjani. Siyancela bandla ukuthi nisize to keep an eye on them. uNtombela goes on to say, yazi uDeliwe siyamazi ukuthi bekanamaqhinga. Manje ushiye isikhwama sakhe samaqhinga, ushiyele lezi ngane zakhe. Siyazi ke ukuthi banjani. Siyancela ukuthi be on the watch out until uManqoba ezobuya, because we don't know if uManqoba is safe in their arms or in their hands. I get guys, the counselor, even not the counselor, Induna, actually Induna ingeneke listening kulento abayixoxayo, saying ukuthi the child's life, uManqoba's life, is in danger. I get next scene back to uSangweni. uSangweni is panicking, you guys. He is pacing the room. He's walking up and down. uSangweni is like, yabona Velephi, sisenkingeni njengamanje. uVelephi is like, ngiyazi Sangweni, awume kancane. uSangweni is like, manje ungithethiselani ngoba ngizama ukusiza mina lana. uVelephi then says, Nxese bengaqondile ukuthi angazi ukuthi sokwenza njani njengamanje. Hey. And then as they speaking like that, then there's a knock on the door. Kanti yinduna yendawo. Induna then says, bantwana bami, yimina uCabalukhulu, induna yendawo. Niyangizwa? They just keep quiet, you guys. Induna goes on to say ukuthi ngizonisiza lana. Ngifuna ukuthi sixazulule le nkinga eninayo nomndeni wenu. And then uVelephi then says kuSangweni, mhlawumbe angasiza Sangweni, mhlawumbe angasiza asivule umnyango. uSangweni is like, hey Velephi. uVelephi is like, Sangweni kodwa. uSangweni is like, sukhohle ukuthi lo muntu wenzani kusibongile. uVelephi then says, angikhohliwe kodwa njengamanje sokwenza njani? We can't keep hiding forever. uSangweni ke guys agcina sevula isicabha, and then induna comes in nama bodyguard akhe ahlale phansi esitulweni. Induna then says, ngiyabonga bantwana bam ukuthi ningihloniphe, ningivulele. Uvulephi then says, yebo baba. Besacela nje ukuthi usize in any way that you can help us. Induna then says ukuthi ngizonisiza. Kodwa phela mela ngizwe isayidi lenu le story. Ngiphinde ngizwe isayidi labazali benu. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, remember that girl that suddenly came in Usibongile's life? Ubusi all of a sudden acting as if she's interested in Usibongile. We see her, guys, at campus, sitting with Enye Ntombazane, busy pitching a project. Usibongile acting as if it's her project. She's busy saying, so ne project yami sengizoyiqeda, it's going to help abantu abahluphekile for it's about interior designing, but it's using materials that are much cheaper so that people who can't afford can also afford luxury. I'm just like, Usibongile uzoba senkingeni. Because look, girl, ingathi she's ahead of Usibongile, and there's a possibility she might submit this assignment before Usibongile, and Usibongile might look as if she is the one who stole it. Considering Busi is going around pitching this idea, so Shutige, she has other people who can back her up ngale idea, whereas Usibongile has only spoken about this idea to Ubusi, being the person who is stealing the project idea. Next scene, we see Uneli. She is cleaning, guys. We are cleaning la payana wadlamini, and then Utlina walks down the stairs. Utlina's like, what's what that day? Yaznguzan kamuga le ek ameren. Uneli ashege again. She's like, how got us this cleaner? Ushonomerten muyangizang ula. Utlina then says yena muphi ngoba sinomertem abawuthula endlini. And then Uneli then says how ngihlekiselani kodwa. Utlina benoneli they laugh. Utlina then says yazi drama yala yabadlamini tate. Kodwa ke angeke ukhole ukuthi what happened. Uneliza kwenzekeleni. Utlina then says uVusi has turned into indoda yamaphupho ami. Uneli then says how sistrina. Utlina then says, yazi wenze into enhle kanjani ngokusecure ifuture yami. Uneli then says, yo, I wish I could trade places with you. Utlina then says, kwamina nje angikholwa yazi noma bangathi bayangixosha kule ndlu. Ngiyazi ukuthi financially ngisecured nje. Uneli then says, oh, okay. Kodwa ngiyathemba ukuthi uya-understanda ukuthi yonke lento iqonda ukuthini. Utlina then says, uchazuktini Neli. Uneli then says, hayibo sistrina. Uyazi ukuthi wenzani nobani wena. Utlina's like, ukhuluma ngale low life. Angazi bengenwe yini yazi. Kodwa kungcono ke ngoba sekahambile. Ifocus yami ikuVusi manje. Uneli's like, oh, okay. So awusamthandi. And then Utlina then says, ngithande lo amfana mina. Hayibo. Angazi ngempela ukuthi bengenwe yini kodwa ngizomtshela ukuthi kuphelile phakathi kwami naye. Uneli then says, oh, okay. Kodwa sistrina, was he really worth the trouble and putting your marriage in jeopardy? Utlina then says, ngwesinye isikhathi Neli, mele uphile kancane yabo. Have fun. Ungabi uptight Neli. Uneli just felt so first to say ukuthi hayi le fine okhuluma ngayo. Mina I'm not interested. Utlina goes on to say ungabi uptight Neli. Anyway, ke ngizobona later, and then she heads out. Kanti Utlina, when she's heading out, guys, she is heading out to the very same Phakamani, because we see her in uPhakamani's car and they are parked somewhere in the parking lot. So Phakamani goes on to say ukuthi yazi yangichaza lento yakho. Upambamanga ukuthi uyogijima kanti uzogijimela phezu kwami. That time when she left Uneli, ngempela guys, ugirl Utlina was dressed in running attire. Utlina then keeps quiet, yambona ukuthi ubhorekile. uPhakamani like, how yini ufuna ukuzolala esifubeni? And then Utlina like, cha ngiyabonga. uPhakamani like, how was lana, pulling her a little bit. Utlina then says, awukahle Phakamani, whatever we had iphelile manje. uPhakamani like, hayibo. He tries to hold ubuso bakhe. Utlina's like, ake ube serious for once, uphelile. uPhakamani like, okay, kulungile ke. Utlina looks at him and then she's like, kanjalo nje. uPhakamani then says, how? ufuna ngithini? That time his phone rings and he reaches out for his phone. Ugcina sathi awukwazi ukuphendula lelo cingo. Ngisakhuluma nje. Ay ulokhuzana uPhakamani just answers the phone. He's like, Jama. Oh, okay. Kulungile. Ngiyeza manje. He drops the phone call. He's like, ayike kumele ngihambe. Usungangiphumela ke. And then ugcina looks at him. She's like, oh, usuyangixosha manje. uPhakamani then says, ufuna ngithini? Angazi ukuthi ufunani. Ufuna ngikabuze okugcina ngithi bokumnandi sindawonye ube nenhlanhla ufunani. Ugcina just keeps quiet. uPhakamani opens the door on Ugcina's side, like signaling to her ukuthi cela ungiphumele. Ugcina gets out of the car, but you can see ukuthi she's so angry. Guys, I have a feeling ukuthi you see this pushback, not pushback, this treatment that uPhakamani is giving Ugcina, it's only going to draw her closer to him. Because the way Ugel is so worked up, I'm just like, bawufunani ngempela. Anyway, next scene, guys, we see Induna ibize umhlangano between uSamkebe noVuma, uSangweni and uVelephi, guys. He tells them ukuthi it's fine, lonudaba, we are going to get the traditional court involved ulendaba. We're going to also involve the entire community yaseKopo. Kodwa manje bengicela ukuthi ingane ibuyele kwaMbambo because vele ingane ikhulele khona. uSangweni goes mad ukuthi vele besazi ukuthi things are gonna go down kanje. Just because uyinduna, it doesn't mean ukuthi yonke into ayishoyo is right and whatnot. But you can see ukuthi induna goes on to say to uSangweni ukuthi listen, ngeke sizwe ngawo. Ngithe mina in the next 2 days we will involve the traditional courts, but for now, nizozwa mina ingane ayibuyele kwaMbambo. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, uKwenzo, he is in his office as he is busy packing up. uPhakamani enters, and then he's like, hey, Chama. And then uKwenzo's like, oh, sawubona, Chama. uPhakamani then says, ngiyaxolisa mfowethu, hey. uKwenzo then says, yazi ngithi mina ngeke usafike. uPhakamani's like, ay ngidlule kuleya ndawo ethengisa inyama yenhloko. I'm just like, please, you know ukuthi you are coming from Sing Ugcina. uKwenzo then says, pho iphi inyama yenhloko? Ngathi ulengisa izandla nje. uPhakamani then says, hey ngifike ingasekho laphayana. uKwenzo then says, oh. uPhakamani then says, yeah, ngifike isiphelile. uKwenzo then says, yazi Chama, there's something engifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo yazi. Ngicabanga ukuthi as he's speaking like that kungene uVusi. uVusi is like, Kwenzo, wanuka isimungu nje la endlini anisavuli ne-aircon lana. But uKwenzo catches on ukuthi uVusi ukhuluma ngoPhakamani. uKwenzo then says, hawuVusi kodwa. uVusi then says, kuyasho ukuthi ufake lo dodi la endlini. uKwenzo like, Vusi ngiyacela. uPhakamani then says, asiqondise lento mfethu, asikhulumela ngaphandle. He comes closer to uVusi like to say ukuthi I'm challenging you ukuthi siyokhulumela ngaphandle. uKwenzo then says, hayi madoda ngiyangicela. uVusi then says, kwenzakalani ngaphandle? uPhakamani then says, asambe siyoxoxa. uVusi then says, kwenzakalani? uPhakamani then says, angithi wena unenkinga nami, asambe siyoxoxa ngaphandle. uVusi then says, unenhlanhla yazi mfanami, yezwa ukuthi angihambi ngilwa nje with anyone. uKwenzo then says, okay Vusi, ngiyanicela. Cela ukuthi ningayiqali lento njengamanje ngiyanicela. uVusi then says, Kwenzo, yabo lento yakho of introducing uncultured people to the Dlamini family, it will get you in trouble. uPhakamani ahleke ajonge uKwenzo, and then he's like, Chama, mina now we see the bigger picture. What we are trying to do is to try to fix this family. Zikhona vele ilima, izilima ezifana noVusi laba. uVusi goes on to say ukuthi kuyokusiza ukuthi ukhethe Kwenzo. Ukhethe ukuthi ulalela bani, ulalela mina noma ulalela nomgodoyi. uKwenzo then says, hayi man Vusi. uPhakamani then says, ubiza bani ngomgodoyi? He pushes uVusi. uVusi then says, ngibiza wena. He pushes back. Hey, now they're pushing one another. Ubiza bani ngomgodoyi? Ngibiza wena. uKwenzo comes in between them. He's like, Bafethu, okay, whoa. He's standing in between them. And then he says, kuse office lana Bafethu, please. kahleni bafethu ngiyanicela. And then the scene just ends like that. I am waiting for the day where uPhakamani gets tired of this and then he confesses uVusi or tells him ukuthi lalela lana wena, your wife. And I just kind of feel like the reason why uLokuzana uPhakamani can even delela uVusi even more is because of lento ayenzayo noGcina. Anyway, guys, last scene, sibona uPhetheni, she is welcoming uSibongile into the Dlamini household. So uSibongile is like, yazi ngiyabonga ma ukuthi ungibize lana, yazi I'm so glad to be part of this family. uPhetheni ushers uSibongile to the living room and says ukuthi hayi sinomhlangano nobaba wala ekhaya. When uSibongile gets to the dining room, ngempela uNjengaya, he is sitting there, benoNomfundo. Oh, guys, as they sit down, uPhetheni then says, nansi-ke inkinga yethu. Yo, uLokuzana, uNjengaya, angenelele uSibongile. Zakhe wena, cabanga ukuthi uyini wena, Uthi wena uhamba, u-advisana nokwenza ukuthi lento ayenzayo ukuthi right. uPhetheni is like, yazi wena Sibongile, awunambulelo shame, awunadanke. Didn't we support you? Sadinikeza umsebenzi when you needed it the most? uNjengaya is like, yeah, vele sikunikeze umsebenzi. You can't even thank us. Oda manje you busy supporting or you busy ukwenza must be the one olungisa izinto waDlamini intontoni. uSibongile then says ukwenza lento ayenzayo into elungile. Yo, uNjengaya goes mad. Into elungile? Wena wazini ngokulunga? Wazini ngokulunga? Ngiyakutshela ke manje into ozoyenza, you are going to tell uKwenzo to stop acting like a hero, you guys. That time uNomfundo is sitting there, she doesn't even know what to say, but you can see ukuthi she's feeling sorry for uSibongile. Usho ukuthi uPhetheni and uNjengaya, they found out ukuthi uSibongile, she is the one supporting uKwenzo, ukuthi uKwenzo must fight for the wealth that uNjengaya stole from the rest of the Dlamini family. And here they are trying to threaten uSibongile ukuthi uSibongile akayiyeke lento. But uNjengaya ends that meeting by saying ukuthi uzomtshela ke uKwenzo ukuthi he must stop acting like a hero. Uyangizwa, hitting the table, guys, and you can see ukuthi uSibongile, guys, is frightened. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, uSibongile, I don't know why she even marrying into this family that's like this, that always wants to abuse her whenever things are not going their way. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.